Okay, spring 2024 market report for Brantford. Start off with median sale price. So, Brantford prices have more or less followed the rest of southwestern Ontario. Long story short, as you all know, prices rose steeply throughout the pandemic, and then especially really from the fall of 2021 to February of 2022, when prices dropped like a stone. Now, unlike other markets, Brantford prices did experience a stronger rally coming out of the correction, but prices have declined since and erased a lot of that gain. So median sale price was 645,000, marking a 24% decline from the market high of 2022. Median sale price by property type, that is a bit of a mixed bag with some assets asset types rather faring marginally better than some others. Semis fared the worst, single family detached doing best. One kind of interesting point is that the market in Brantford was somewhat tighter across property types, but as we move through the past 12 months, we see a bit of a widening gap. No townhouses and again the detached. Where should we be? All right. So, as with all markets in southwestern Ontario, Brantford median prices are well below where one would have expected looking at the long term trend line. So, it's giving some hope that we should see a strengthening of the market for sellers moving through to 2025 and beyond. This, of course, is going to be tempered by both what happens with supply, construction, as well as interest rates. All right, sales. Brantford posted a total of 1,787 sales in April. For some context, monthly sales before the correction were in the mid 2000s with a high of 3,742 in May of 2021. Now, since then, activity has dropped significantly, as you all know, but it's held more or less. My expectation is that activity should trend up coming into 25, but again, this is going to be a supply and rate driven question. Speaking of supply, Brantford's high level of inventory is one area that may dampen price increases moving through 24 and into 25. So most other municipalities in southwestern Ontario have seen strong growth in the supply with near recent record levels of inventory available. But Brantford seems to be adding a smidge more, Brantford and Guelph actually, a smidge more than some of its neighbors. So May began with 2.8 months of inventory, meaning that one would expect it to take nearly 3 months to sell off all that inventory that's on like today. Now, for context, in December of 21, 6 days. So we're moving from 6 days to nearly 3 months or 3 months. So that's a lot more properties for sale. Since 2016, 1.5 to 2 months of inventory would be expected. So 2.8 is high. So in conclusion, prices are stagnating, inventory is going up, and sales are not great. All right, there you go. There's your good news. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Contact information in the description below. And listen, if you made it this far in the video, please consider a like, subscribe. Takes you 2 seconds, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.